Hello, my Hummer friends. So I'm out and about cruising the H3 through the giant sandbox, and all of a sudden I hear this ding 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 ding. So I look at the dash and the warning lights are on that says doors. So I quickly pull over where it's nice and safe. I open up all of the 4 doors plus the back hatch. I check them, make sure nothing's in it, and then I shut it again. Next, I jump back in the truck, and to my dismay, ding 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 ding, the warning light for the doors is still on. So these are the signs and symptoms I was experiencing. The interior lights wouldn't turn off, so they'd stay on when you close all of the doors. The driver's door lock didn't work. The passenger did. So yeah, I couldn't lock my doors. And then also, when I turned the vehicle off, my windows wouldn't roll up or roll down, which, you know, when your car's running fine and everything's where it needs to be, you turn your car off and for so many minutes the windows will roll up and down and you've got most of your functions. So the next thing I did was to inspect all 5 of the door jamb switches. So let's get a good look at that. This one. Here. This one out. All right. So let's see. Door jamb number 4. Doesn't look as good as the passenger side. All right, let's take a peek at this one. Yeah, that one's beat. Definitely has seen better days. So this video is going to show you how I remove 1 or 2 of them, and let's see if this door light will go away once I make the change. So here's the part number that you'll need for the door jamb switch. Part number D6075A15905665. Quantity 1. Hecho in Mexico. We're going to need a Torx, and guessing it's this one. This thing's most likely good 12 years old. So yeah, there's a little switch here. You just press that down. This thing pops out. Definitely has seen better days. So this one's going in the drink. Okay. Too big, but close. Closer. That's the one. I like to add a bit of CRC dielectric grease to the surfaces. I'll be in the salt water a lot, so basically I want to keep this nice and safe from the elements, at least as safe as I can. So definitely overkill in some minds, and that's all right. It's my truck. My 18-year-old son wants it. So it's either I get the Bronco when it comes out and it's on the street, or I get the Hummer EV. I'm really liking the Hummer EV. I think it's a better fit, but I wouldn't mind beating up the Ford Bronco, and not so much beating it up, because I've never beaten up this Hummer H3 here. I take it out, use it for what it's used for, but I do not beat it up. So that's the difference between you and I. So you need a 20 Torx. Torx 20, 20 Torx. Remember that. It's a 20. Y'all know about those 20s. Service with a smile. I'm going to do the rest of them, but first I'm going to start up the truck and see what happened to that light. Hopefully it's gone. Alright, we got the low tire as usual, and that's fine. I am running low. Just got back from the beach. Alright, the trip odometer, my mileage, holy smokes. The doors light is gone, and all 5 of my doors are closed. Wow, nice. So for a $6.51 part that I ordered from Amazon yesterday, it arrived this morning, and it took me like about 10 minutes to remove the old one, install the new one. But now that I've replaced all 5 of them, everything works just like it did before the door light came on. So with that being said, if this video helped you out in any way, please let me know in the comments. And if you're new to the channel and you like what you see, please hit the like button and subscribe. To the northwest adventure